Hey guys, welcome back to another cash stuffing video. My name is Jeanette, and the reason why I cash stuff is to save for 6 months of expenses. So in today's video, we are going to be doing my 6 months of expenses. And also I do have a new product drop. I'm going to show you guys that in a few minutes. So as promised, I was going to do my Colorful Dollar Mondays Volume 2. And it is super, super, super cute. I gave you guys a preview in my post, so I'm going to show you that in a few minutes. I wanted to discuss the giveaway. So giveaway winners, I have one winner because only one person checked the person out yesterday. So today is going to be Tiny Budget Code for the second winner. So go and check out her channel. I'm going to leave it below in the description box. And it's for these items right here. So far I have one winner. So I'll announce this winner in Friday's video because tomorrow I will not be recording. It's Thursday. As far as orders, I am working on orders. I know there was a delay because of the snowstorms and stuff like that, but I feel like everything's back on track right now. So you guys should be receiving your orders. And yeah, guys, thank you guys for your support. I think I'm going to reach my goal this week. It's only Wednesday. I have until Friday. I set the goal till Friday. So let's see what happens. But I think I'm almost there. I think I'm like, want to say 75% there. And the goal was 261. So let's see what happens in a couple of days. And yeah, let's just jump right into this. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is show you guys the big reveal of volume 2 for Colorful Dollar Mondays. And it is super, super cute. I'm so excited about this. So excited. So here we go. This is our dashboard right here. Super cute, right? And you do get the dice as well. So you guys know the dice. And we have sunflowers. We have green aesthetic. Oh, so pretty. I can't wait to do this. We have Christmas. We have pink flowers. And we have like a butterfly there with flowers on it. Oh, super, super cute. And I'll show you guys this in a minute. We have our beauty, which is our purple one. And rainy days, which is our blue one. Super, super, super cute. And I did add $2 to this. So the ones from volume 1 are all icons are worth $1. And this one I spiced it up a little bit and I add $2 to the bigger icons. So you see there, the butterflies are $2. The butterflies here are $2. The gingerbread houses are $2. The book here, the green book, $2. And the cute little bumblebee, $2. So everything else is $1 except the big icons in there. So that's just to spice it up a little bit. Now, when am I going to start doing this challenge? When I finish my other one. So once I hit like round 2 of each of those challenges, I'm going to switch over to this one because I want to see it like completely in my binder. So I did complete the grass field. That one's done, right? I'm going to redo that one again, but that's the second round I'm doing on that. So once I hit, like I finish all the challenges, that's when I'll introduce this Colorful Dollar Mondays Volume 2. But man, this is super, super cute. Super cute. I'm so in love. I can't wait to do it. I like want to do it now, but I can't. So that's available. It's live now on my website, description box. All the information is there. So check that out. I'm going to have a clickable link for this as well. So if you don't have volume 1, check out volume 1. I know a lot of people did get volume 1 and a lot of people finished volume 1, which is like, I haven't even finished it, but volume 2 is here. So check that out if you guys want this. And it comes with the dashboard again. It comes with the 6 challenges and it comes with the dice. So super, super, super cute. Okay. Now let's get into my 6 months of expenses. And I'm also going to do my mood tracker as well and no spend days. Okay, so, oh, that's not open. Did I open it? Oh, here we go. Okay. So for 6 months of expenses, I'm not putting much in because last week we did finish a challenge, I believe last week, and I did add more to it. So let's get started on this. Okay, so 6 months of expenses. So mortgage, hold on, let me just put this to the back. This is still like relatively new, but let me make sure you guys are in frame. Perfect. Okay, So what did I use? I used purple. So we're going to use the purple marker to fill in our trackers. Okay, so mortgage is going to get a total of $5. And now it has a total of 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. So we have $70 in mortgage. And we added 5. Today is the 15th. Okay. So 115. We added $5. So now we have a total of $70 in there. Okay. Let's put this away. Okay, that's mortgage. Now, emergency is also going to get $5. So there goes the tracker. Okay. So now we have a total of 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Perfect. So now we have a total of $70 in emergency. So let's write that in. $5 total, $70 there. Okay. Why can't I get it all in? Like, come on. Okay. Savings is going to get $5 as well. And now it has a total of 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, so let's add that in. 115, $5, $70. Okay. Okay, so that's $70 there. Okay, now as far as my debt, I have to take off a Klarna once I add money to it because I have to pay that on the 17th. So Klarna, whoa, Home Depot. Home Depot is going to get a total of $5, and I did pay that bill. Klarna is going to get a total of $5. So now we have $20. I'm going to push that over to the side because I have to pay that. And Chase is going to get a total of $5. So now it has 20. Okay, so that is it for my debt and my 6 months of expenses. We added something to it this week. And now we're going to jump into my mood tracker. And I think that's it for today. We don't have a lot going on today. Make sure you check out Friday's video because that's my favorite video of all time. We're going to do savings challenges. And I did make a new dashboard for that binder. So let's get into my Budget Besties binder. Let's do my mood tracker. Is this in frame? Wow. Okay. Okay, so the lady you're going to check out is going to be Tiny Budget Co. I'm going to leave her down below. And just comment JJ on her video. If you need the rules, check out yesterday's video and the day before yesterday's video for the rules on how the giveaway works. Okay, so mood tracker for the 14th. Yesterday, I have to say happy. So I'm going to put a pink heart on that. And I'm going to add $3 to this. I already had the $3 ready. And I'm already home. Picked up the girls. And we have another no spending. So this is for the 14th, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is for today, the 15th. So no spend day today, which is perfect. And yeah, I think that's all we have for today. I have to put this in my bank account. So yeah, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. Again, this is live. Go check it out. Super, super, super cute. And cute little fun game. And yeah, guys, that's all I have for you guys. I will see you guys on Friday. Thank you guys for all of your support. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.